this entire box?
Probably.
Right.
Nice.
Alright, thanks.
Thank you.
Holy shit, fucking road.
Wait, you got the other one?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're like zooming in it.
It's coming. Oh, nice lighting there, and thanks.
Stop! You violated the law.
Go? Yeah, I went. Oh, my bad.
You didn't hear the beps?
Oh, I didn't know if you want to edit more.
Jesus.
Edit. Okay.
Bruh.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maker Inc.
Hey guys, it's Charlie and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my first ever YouTube video on my YouTube channel.
And today we're doing the Maker Inc. Taco Bell Challenge. My name is Nathan, your guest host. I'll be eating 12 tacos today. And we have a timer right here. We're gonna see how fast we can eat all these damn tacos. Matt and Aaron are not as
Skilled.
large in the stomach.
Gastrically.
We're only gonna be eating 6
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
6.
And I'm gonna eat 12.
So yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot of sauce. Continuation.
I
Did
mean,
I already say to like, comment, and subscribe on the video?
I don't think so, but you
Okay.
have to.
Yeah, because I saw it in a YouTube
this is
video
gross.
that we
Okay.
should say.
Yeah, no, you.
'cause-
It's gonna be on you though. You know.
Okay.
We get a lot of haters for that, but like, just go for
I
it.
mean-
Just say it.
Okay.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. We want to hear all feedback, positive or negative. Comments are cool.
Yeah, comments are good, like suggestions for more videos. Like
Yeah,
this was a
more of
suggestion
this.
from if you want to shout anyone out.
Shout out Cassie. This is for you. This is the Taco Bell challenge requested from you.
Yep.
Start the timer up.
Okay.
Crack that bad boy open.
already ate a lettuce piece. Oh god, we're starting already.
I don't know why I'm actually pressured.
Mixing water and tacos. No! Oh, the noise is coming from behind her. Just very disturbing. How many tacos did you already eat?
4.
4. This is my second.
What is he gonna do when he's done with his tacos already and we're still eating?
Oh, I guess we'll commentate on those. Okay, 2 tacos down. Let's go. Whew, I need a drink. It's too much.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff, Nate. Yeah, Nate.
Mm-hmm. Aaron, where do you at?
Great. What?
What, like
Final
8?
2.
Final do. Look at the timer.
Don't tell me. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Not too bad.
15 seconds.
I can't read upside down. 51? Under 5 minutes.
How are you feeling?
I got the Taco Bell sweats.
Oh, man.
Oh, stop.
Oh yeah.
Mm-mm.
Come on, bro. Is that your last one? Aaron, how many more do you have?
I have, well, my double. And just one more.
Alright, what's the timer? What's the timer?
Like right there.
That's me.
I just need to finish before 10 minutes.
Come on, Aaron.
Wait, I forgot to swallow.
Like if I got everything unwrapped, like.
Oh my god.
Come on, Aaron.
Yeah.
We have 7 minutes, bud.
Yeah, Aaron.
Yeah, Aaron. Come on, Aaron.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, Aaron. You can do it. It was
I haven't taken
$16.99. Oh, time?
No.
You didn't swallow yet. So there's our quitters.
Bruh.
No. Not bad.
Less than 10 minutes. Let's go, Aaron.
Let's go, Aaron. Yeah.
Woo.
Woo. Yeah.
I can't imagine doing that like double though.
No.
Mm-mm.
No.
It wasn't hard.
I'd have to like take a shit mid like just to clear some room up.
So yeah, like I said earlier, kind of need some more food challenges because we all like to eat.
Mm-hmm.
And
Love eat.
any weird food combinations? Comment
Yeah.
them below. Like pickles and peanut butter.
Hot sauce and ice cream.
Yep, spaghetti with anchovies.
You actually try them.
Is that a thing? No, never.
Yeah, like anything like that.
Alright. Alright. See ya. GoPro. Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.